Hello guys, welcome back to Beginner Cuber. Every master was a beginner. So, in this tutorial, I will teach you guys how to solve this Phyraminx cube step by step layer. So, the first thing what I want to tell you guys is the tip layer. So, every Phyraminx cube has 4 tip layers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one is the centerpieces. Every side of it has 3 centerpieces. This is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And the last one, of course, the edges. Every side of it has 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next thing what I want to tell you guys is the rotation of this cube. And the first one is U. U stand for up layer. And if you find U like that, you go clockwise or to the left. And if you find U prime, you go right or counterclockwise. R for right. And if you find R like that, you go up or clockwise. And if you find R prime, you go down or counterclockwise. And the last one is L. L stand for left. If you find L like that, you go down. And if you find L prime, you go up or counterclockwise. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, I've scrambled my Rubik, and the first thing that we want to do is to make 3 centerpieces in the same color and put it on the same side. For example, like this, I choose yellow, 3 centerpieces, and then put it on the same side. I will do yellow too in here, and you can choose whatever color you want because it will make no difference. Okay, so I have 2 centerpieces in here, and we're just gonna find another one. Like, there you go, I have it. So if you already find your centerpieces like this, what you want to do is line it up with the other 2 and then just R and L prime. There you go, you have 3 centerpieces on the same side. And the next one, of course, you want to rotate the tip edges so it is on the same color. It is pretty simple, I think, just like that. Okay, and the next step is we want to solve our first layer. Because I'm using yellow, so I want to make all of this side with yellow. And of course, I'm gonna find yellow first. Like here, I find yellow, and what I want to do is bring this yellow to the basic color. So because the basic color in here is red, so I'm gonna bring it to the red like that and line it up. If you have the yellow on the left side of your hand, what you want to do is R, U prime, R prime, and there you go, you have yellow and red in the correct position. And the next, we want to do the same too. For example, this is yellow and green. We're gonna bring it to the basic color, which is green. So move it to here. And since the yellow is on our left side, we wanna do R, U prime, and R prime. Okay, and the last one is in here. Okay, if you have like this, you just have to bring it to the top first. R, U, R prime, like that. And what we want to do is bring it to the basic layer. Since this is blue, so bring it to the blue side. And because the yellow is facing our right hand, so we want to do L prime, U, and L. And there you go, we have our first layer solved. I really got lucky because with only do that algorithm, I can finish all of my Rubik. But if you haven't finished your Rubik, what you want to do is like this. Okay, in this Rubik, you will have 3 possible patterns. So the first one is like this, when you have 2 color in the correct position, but it just needs to be switched. So what we want to do is just do U, L prime, U prime, and L. Okay, maybe that is a hard algorithm, but how I used to memorize it is just like this. The easy way to memorize it is just like this. Right go down, left go down, right goes up, left goes up, turn left, left goes up, turn right, and done. Like that. Okay, the second one that you will get is like this. When you have two cool pattern like this, I think it's really cool. And what I want to do first is turn this tip pieces so it is in the same color with the center pieces. Since this is green, so I'm just gonna bring it to green. And after that, what I want to do is bring it to the same color as the center pieces, since I've made it in the correct color, so I'm okay now. And what you want to do next is do algorithm. Alright, so I want to finish this green color, and we have to look first, is the green on our right side or on our left side, since the green is in our right side. So what you want to do is just R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And there you go, you have solved this Rubik. So I will repeat. And how I memorize it at the beginning is like this. Right up, right, go right, right down, go right, right up, go right, and go up. I'm sorry, right down, like that. Okay, the next one, what will you get is like this. It is the same like what we've done before, but in here the two side that is supposed to be in here is on our left side, since the last one is on our right side and now is on our left side. So what we want to do if it is in our left side is do this algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. Like that. It's pretty simple. Okay, and the last thing that you will get in this last layer is like this. Okay, when you have three color that need to be down, 1, 2, and 3. So basically this other one color, you just need to put it down like that. Okay, so what you want to do is L prime and then turn this back so it is in the correct color, and then do L and then find the yellow, alright, in here. So put it on the same color with the red and just do R, U prime, and R prime. So there we have solved our Rubik, and that is all the possible cases that you will get in this last layer, only 3 of them. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram too at _beginner.cuber_. Thank you very much. Don't forget, every master was a beginner. Goodbye.